One day I saw a chick was fall down from the nest box. I picked up and come to my room. I placed it front of electric heater. He was almost died because his body is completely cold and no sign of alive. I placed it near from electric heater. And after 2 to 3 hours I saw a body moving little bit. I served him medicine and served them hand feeding. But still his body was very cold. So I waited 5 to 6 hours front of heater, and when I checked it I feel its body is fine now. I placed it again in nest box after 5 to 6 hours. And now he is almost near to self-feed.